For this easy yet unique design, open New Project in Canva. Change the background color to black. Then bring golden textured image and adjust its size. Now go to Elements and then Frames. Here, one by one, choose all the letters. Arrange them correctly. Here, select all the letters. Right-click and click on Space evenly. Then select Tidy Up. Then go to Background Image and round the corners of the image. Now add borders to the image. For border colors, go to Default Gradient Colors. Here, select Golden Gradient. Similarly, click on Frame Letters. Change its color to black and add outline. Again, choose a golden outline color. Once done, click on Copy Style and select the next letter. Like this, we can create an eye-catching golden text effect in no time. Subscribe to the channel for more Canva design ideas.